bet your Korean is better than mine.
It's not, bro. Trust. Bro, my Korean is so bad.
You speak Korean? I was like, because like, even do you like that? Even trying to speak English, and I was like, I think talk good Korean. Like, I'm jealous.
No, bro, your Korean is better than mine, trust.
I will learn harder.
No, bro, I've only studied for 3 months. I'm so bad. Trust.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay, next time in the next fan call, like we improve our Korean more, and let's talk with Korean.
Okay. I will hold you to that. I'll just only speak to you in Korean, bro.
Okay. Like suddenly, like we'll do.
They'll all come back to you and be like, oh no.
Oh no! This is wicked accent. I'm so sad that this is our last fan call.
I know, right? But I don't have any money anymore, so you know.
Yo, I'll pay for you.
What?
Your bank account.
I'll give it to you, bro. Fly me out to Korea, I'll go.
Here's your ticket, like.
Yeah.
No excuse, come here.
Buy me the ticket, I'll show up, like.
I'm gonna miss you so much.
I'm gonna miss you too.
Yeah, let's go to get our FanCon.
I'll try.
If you earn yours, if you earn your money, think about you first, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
I love you